How to add or remove live captions in Control Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the Control Center. Then in here, tap on the Add button at the top corner. Next, we go down and then tap on Add a control. Now from the control list, we scroll down. Then in here, tap on Live Captions. So tap on that, and the Live Captions widget will be added to the control center. Now, tap anywhere on the screen to close the edit mode. Then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now to use live captions, you can pull down the control center and tap on live captions to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. When you turn it on, the live captions will appear at the bottom here. We can switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.